Hey, it's Ray and welcome to or back to my channel, and this is gonna be my 2-day vlog, so watch it and
What do you mean poor quality of life?
spend my 2 days with me.
He's having a shower.
Good morning, everybody. It's currently like 5, almost 6 a.m. right now. And we're at the park about to hit some workouts. We're gonna probably warm up first because that's important in exercising. You can't just get straight to it. Yeah. I bought some snacks. It's like a nut mix, and it has peanuts, cashews, almonds, pecan nut, macadamia nut, and just a bit of salt. Maybe not the healthiest snack, maybe it is a healthier snack. I just thought that because I didn't have any breakfast whatsoever, that it'd be something nice to chew on. And when I get home, I'm gonna have something a bit heavier just to kind of give me the energy I would have needed. Maybe I should have had breakfast before, who knows? Honestly, I'm tempted to just sit here instead of actually get any workout done because the birds just sound so nice. It's really peaceful. And I kind of just want to sit here and just lay down or something. But yeah, I'll start stretching, I'll start doing a bit of cardio. Yeah, I do like pecan. What's wrong with it? I'm gonna look at the sandwich aisle and see if there's anything that suits me. Is that funny?
I don't know.
Okay, we're not gonna eat on camera because it's gonna get too chaotic, but let's enjoy, okay? Itadakimasu!
In 300 yards, keep right to stay on.
So this is our, baggage. Coolie baggage. So this is us just waiting. Look at the water. Look at the birds. I'm tired. So I'm not sure that's France, but I'm quite tired. I fell asleep like 1,000 times. Che, I must have fallen asleep once or twice. Tyrese fell asleep like 3 times.
No, that's
Like 9 times maybe.
1 billion.
I think
she's like smaller.
You don't know we're gonna be here.
It's time for us to go crazy. Do you guys see that beach? Lovely. It's stunning, isn't it? Guys, have you ever stepped on hot sand in your life? Oh my gosh. When I tell you, okay, my hair's destroyed, we don't talk about that. The sand, hot. It's like playing a hot potato, but it steps instead of like holding it in your hands. Oh my god, it's cold.
So guys, I can't go all the way in the water.
I'm not wearing a swimsuit, but so let me show you the jet ski. Ready? Like it. So I got my shorts wet. I'll try one more time.
How do you know it's a good one? Is that a good one? It's running away from me. Oh, it's cold. Yeah.
Okay, now it's Chase's turn. Are you? Yeah. Dale. Okay. I don't know why they got right on the. Anyway. Yes.
I have no experience in this.
Hey. Two. Oh. Is it cold? Is it cold? Come on, Che, you got this. No, come on. There we go. That was a better run. Nice. Are you ready? Yeah. Okay, go. Again.
If I get 3 push-ups, you have to subscribe.
Push-ups or kick-ups?
I mean kick-ups. So give me one more chance.
That's one.
Oh yeah, 1, see? 3.
That scared me. That was 3 kick-ups, guys. You can't even lie. Please. If you love me. If you love me. If you love me. If you love me. If you love me.
Yo, you're doing my neck.
Bro thinks I'm taking a picture when it's a video. Wow, the ash is insane. Oh, cooler bag. We are headed home.
And now we're walking home, and honestly I think I have missed some clips, but for the most part I did not record too much of the trip because I wanted to enjoy the time on the beach.
Guys, I'm only noticing now that is the biggest street sign I've ever seen. Street sign? Yeah, look. Turn away. Oh. What?
I want to add that I saw a lot of people saying Margate Beach is trash, but I've never been, so I actually quite enjoyed it. I would so come back. If I do come back, I'll make sure to record a lot more for you guys because I don't think I did it justice. It's home time!
Finally home. It might be too dark for you guys to even see me. It's over there, man. You wanna be in the video? Huh? You wanna be in the video?
Oh no. Everything.
Ah! Thank you. It's kind of cool now. Anyway, I'm going inside. I'm so sorry the video ended like that, guys. It was meant to be a bit better, not my best work, but I decided that I would finally show you what I actually went ahead and did on the beach that day. Stay tuned for more vlogs coming up, stay tuned for more videos, and subscribe to me, please.